It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Setup for a Comeback. And today, in this time of crisis, I want to give you tips to come back. We've been talking about the impact your thinking has on how you handle adversity. Some people manage to use adversity as a motivational tool, which helps them to be strengthened, while others allow adversity to crush them. You must decide to have faith and positive expectancy. Your Uplook determines your outlook, and your outlook determines your outcome. The more you say that you're going to come back, the quicker your comeback gets going. You must decide right now, that's right, right now, and I'm here to help. I'm here to cheer you on. Tune in every day to this message and get ready for your comeback, because this is your time to win. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. And remember, your best is yet